Hello, I'm Lydia and welcome to Music Theory for Dummies. This course is designed to teach everyone the language of reading and understanding music. A little background about myself: I have a degree in musical theatre writing as a composer. I have grade 8 ABRSM in piano and grade 5 ABRSM in music theory. I've been musical since a young age and became fluent in musical literacy probably around the age of 9 or 10. Music theory is the study of the practices and possibilities of music. An inclusive definition is that music theory is the consideration of any sonic phenomena, including silence. Music theory concerns itself in three major categories. The first is rudiments, and they are what's needed to understand music notation, the key signatures, time signatures, and rhythm notation, etc. The second is learning scholars' views on music from past to present, and the third is a subtopic of musicology that seeks to define processes and general principles of music, so looking at the fundamental materials that make up individuals' work or performance. In this course, we're going to focus on that first category, and these rudiments provide instructions for the reader on what they should be playing and how the music that they're reading should be performed. Like all languages, music theory has evolved through time and different cultures to be how we understand it today. For example, looking at a composition written yesterday versus a composition written in the medieval times would be a lot like reading a poem written yesterday versus reading a poem in Old English. The joy of modern music theory is that it's an international language. No matter your native tongue, a large majority of what constitutes rudimental musical theory is universally comprehensible. And who wouldn't want to learn a language you can speak with everyone?